11:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Sunday, December 4th, 2022. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I wanted to do an XRP update now that we have the commodity, the precious metals markets are open again. We've got the DXY up again. So with the DXY real quick, we're down to 105.14 approximately. We've continued to reverse down. You can see we're working on this bearish divergence here that's about to finish in the next day or two here, I would imagine, in the dailies. But now that we've fallen outside here, I still think we got to come down here to like this 102.94 for the dollar. So watching that, we'll see if it can hold that uptrend, but it's still got it's got a little bit of a ways to go down. So over $1.50, and then this is where we will really find out if the dollar is going to die now, or if it can hold that true uptrend and continue up. But we got bigger things to worry about here. The total crypto market cap's at $819 billion, up 0.57%. But we've got, I want to look at XRP right now at 3910, and also Bitcoin that's at 17,203. So Bitcoin at 17,203, it's continuing to push in the daily. The problem is in each daily time frame, we're not having a very good volume profile. So if we break this down in the 2-hour time frame, we are still in this little channel that we've created. It's been honoring it. It's been holding it. We've got support, resistance. We confirmed this channel. And now if we could break up, you'd be looking at about 17,900 area. But if you break down, you've got 16,653, and then it can break all the way down. If we go to my other couple Bitcoin charts, you can see it a little bit easier. But I like to have multitudes because we're in a bearish continuation or a gigantic bear flag. But as you can see here, where we broke out of the bear flag and now we're pushing up. Well, where are we going to push up to? Well, we'll just wait for this one to load and you'll see exactly what I'm thinking right here. And we can come up farther, but we broke this line and now we've got to contend with 17,662. So that's what I'd be looking for Bitcoin. 17,662 is exactly where I'd be looking for. And then XRP, because I got to do this now because I've got a lot of stuff going on in the house, but I still wanted to do this update. It's going to be a quick one, but nonetheless, it's going to be informative and packed with what you need to know. So XRP right now, as you can see, we fell outside of this little bear flag that we created in the shorter time frames. We're in a much larger one, but this is a continuation pattern. So if we do get rejected here, and you can see we're on the outside, we're trying to get a rejection here at about 3980 or about 40 cent area. So presumably you could come out over here and be at about 404 again. So that's basically what we're coming down to. The 404 and the 398 right now. If we get rejected, especially at the 398, this could reverse all the way back down, and that could get us down to the 317 level. Now remember, with XRP, there's multiple levels in between the 317 that could end up playing a factor. And obviously, it's something we would have to pay attention to. So this just shows the top of the flag right here, but this one's not going to be much because we got to go to the other patterns. That's just when we break down a little bit farther. Let's go to the perpetual futures chart. It's the easiest one just to show you what I'm talking about because it's the closest support in the area if we break down. And we're still contending here on the outside of this flag, trying to get a rejection here, and if we do, 362, but we have 371 as well. So 36, man, it's going to be a little bit lower though. If it breaks here, be about 36 cents. 36 cents, and then we got 372 underneath it as well. So pay attention to this with XRP, and we're stuck between this small bull flag and a gigantic bear flag and even bigger bull flag above it. So it's very interesting times right now, but we could be looking for an ultimate rejection even at 433, but we're not going to know anything until we get a little more volume pushing in or we get a little bit of sell pressure. But right now we're in no man's land because it still looks like we haven't got the proper rejection at 433. So pay attention to what I'm saying. Make an educated and informed decision for yourself. I'm just trying to put the technical analysis in front of you to help you understand what's going on in a FUD-free fashion. I appreciate the 215 members, we lost a member, 215 members of Tom's Army who sponsor each and every one of these updates by paying the $9.99 of their hard-earned money to pay it forward. It makes it to where I don't have to do any kind of paid advertisements of any kind. If you want to see in the video description below, you can join me on Breakout. You can also find a way to join Tom's Army. Stay blessed, everybody, but I gotta go take care of some family stuff. Hashtag the FUD stops here.